Alright, let's go look at the furnace. Okay, let's set up over here. Alright guys, we're getting ready to take this puppy out. Alright guys, we got the AC disconnected and now we're going to take apart the furnace. Good grief. Y'all see this one that dirty? We'll fix that up. Alright guys, we got her set. It's time for my four-piece. Four-piece number one. Okay guys, we've got our brand new American Standard furnace, 80%er, 80,000 BTUs installed. We've got our coil installed. I went ahead and we've got our electric installed. Guys, I like to run switch receptacles on 95% of all my jobs. That way I can have like a little trouble light if I need it at some point. But anyway guys, we've got that run. I went ahead and I popped the gas out that direction. We've got a little gas flex on it and I put a brand new gas cock on it for easy turn off. Alright guys, I'm fixing to weld in or braze in our 3-ton American Standard unit here. I've got my nitrogen hooked up, as you can see. And I broke out the Viper wet rag here, and we're getting ready to let her go. Alright guys. .268.8. Took it a minute for it to stabilize. Alright guys, I got my field piece on here. Got my Appion hoses, my Appion SR certs, my threaded core removal tool on there, and I got my old JB just pumping away here, about 15 years old, maybe older. Okay guys, it sucked down pretty easily, but I had other things to do like everybody else does. So wrapped up downstairs, and we our wall is 125 and I'm happy with that. So what we're getting ready to do is isolate it off and set her on a time period. Alright guys, I went ahead and I ran my whip, got everything wired in, high and low voltage, but check that out guys. 119, been hanging there for a good 10 minutes, 0%. Alright guys, let me get this thing hot. I got it all wired up, got a good vacuum on it. She's just purring. Look how quiet that thing is. Alright guys, I'm going to check her out. Alright guys, I got my iConnect probes in. We're going to check the charge on our brand new unit. Alright guys, we've got our nice beautiful 3-ton American Standard installed here. And it looks like we're looking for 10 degrees design subcooling ±3. Beautiful quiet unit guys. Love American Standard. I've got my iConnect all hooked up here. I've got my electrical measurements off here, my amp draw and my voltage. And I got the same downstairs so I can get my EER. But let's go through this real quick. Looks like we're looking for our target's 10. on the sub-cooling. We're running anywhere from 10 to 12. It'll probably drop back down and go back up again. It's that TXV in there. But I'm just going to go through this real fast here. Thing is working great. Look at that split, guys. I am so happy with that. Ain't that something? 18.2. We're running at 10.99. That's 11. This is a 14 SEER model. I've got the appropriate coil, the appropriate furnace. Everything's matched. But might be a ductwork issue or something. But anyway, it says we're running 2.76 tons. This is a 3-ton unit. Outdoor ambience nice today. Man, it was 101 yesterday. 82 degrees. Man, oh man, oh man. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, I'm going to go down and show you what the furnace and everything looks like. I just had my inspector out here. In the state of Kentucky, we have to get everything inspected. And of course, Rochester Heating and Air passed with flying colors yet again. All right, guys, let me get this together. I want to get them a report together as well. All right, guys, I've got it super cold in the house, so it's under a low load, so y'all can tell by my measurements, but I just wanted to prove it to you. I pulled it down to 53 here, and we're reading 69, so man, oh man, I think she's working just fine. We just generated a report on our American Standard AC unit with our iConnect. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a combustion analysis. I hate to do this to them, but I want to make sure it's firing right before I take off. And then I'll show you what we got. All right, guys. Alright guys, we got inducer motor. We do not want to watch the O2 rise after the blower kicks. We have flame. We have flame. Our O2 is dropping. We're waiting for the blower. It's air conditioning season, but I wanted to test it before I took off. So anyway, let's go ahead and print us out a copy here. Alright guys, I'm sure y'all are thrilled to death with this. Alright guys, we've got our brand new American Standard HVAC system, full system installed. We have a 80,000 BTU 80% furnace we have done, and we've got our 3-ton American Standard 14 SEER unit out back done, and we've got our American Standard coil done. I'm just going to go over this real quick with you. We've got her vented real nice. I went ahead and I bought a boot to actually go with it. And what I love about it, it's going to be so easy. It comes with this magnet. So easy for my customer to change the filter. I went ahead and I had a reducer made so I could join into my drop and make everything look nice. Guys, I took the extra time. There's nothing wrong with the chrome tape, don't get me wrong, but to me it doesn't look like a really finished product. But like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. But I took the time to go ahead and pookie everything. I got my drop pookie, the boot pookie, the coil pookie, my 4-piece pookie. We went ahead and we popped in with our line set here, and we've got it. I repositioned the coil where it came out the back, and we've got I went ahead and I put our liquid line dryer down here with the evaporator, and I've got our condensate done, and there's our safety overflow. But guys, all in all, I think the job turned out great. I love American Standard equipment. Never had a single ounce of trouble with it. Guys, what I'm most proud of, and here in the state of Kentucky, in Louisville, Kentucky, we have to have everything, any system inspected that we install. And I had code enforcement out today. Take a peek at that, guys. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? And I went ahead and did a combustion analysis on it, as well as doing, I got my iConnect report as well, and I'll try to share that with y'all to boot. But anyway, guys, like I said, when I was hooked up with that iConnect, it was already ice cold in here. So, but anyway, guys, I want to thank you so very, very much for stopping by and visiting with me. It truly does mean the world to me, and I reckon we're going to see y'all on the next one. Thank you so very, very much. Take care. Bye-bye.